Hey, what's up, Wix coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see, my friend, the Wix coin price is very badly falls down. So what's the reason, my friend, behind this, and what we will need, my friends, to get a profit? Can the price will pumps up in upcoming days or not, my brother? So everything I am going to show you, my friends, with detail now. But please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much, Wix coin holder. First of all, my friend, you can see here to you are subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Also, please, thank you so much. As you can see, my friends, the Wix coin price were fails down for temporary. You can see this is temporary fail, is not permanent. So therefore, please try to understand to after this fails they will also get a very good profit now. So holder, as you can see here, my friends, after this fails they will starting pumping up. Definitely, my friend, after the mid of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore I hope to Wix coin will also get a very good pump now. But please, holders, please, if you have any plan to invest now and those days especially, I think you will need, my friends, to wait for the my friends, mid of this month. After the mid of month invest, I am 100% sure to Wix coin price will pumps up and get a very good profit. So therefore, please try to understand, do this. I am 100% sure you will get a profit. But if you are starting selling, remember to you will never get a profit and you are very badly fails down. So please try to understand, holders, do this what I tell you. I am 100% sure, my friends, to Wix coin holder they will give you a very huge profit. But sometimes they were fails down, so this is does not mean, my friends, so this is a very bad coin and this coin will go into garbage. This is does not mean, my friends. I hope after a short fails they will take a very huge pump and get a very good profit. So please try to understand. See you next time, Wix coin holder. Please like a video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you next time.